Hello. Today we'll be going over how to clear the material statistics on a Whitman G Series gravimetric blender. For additional information, please refer to the unit's manual. This unit uses the batch history data in order to better predict how to dispense material. This information is called the material statistics. In order to determine these statistics, the unit will begin a series of dump tests during the first few batches. This information is specific to each blender bin and will vary based on the size, shape, and type of material used. Due to these factors, it is recommended that the material statistics be cleared every time the load cells are calibrated, anytime a hopper is removed, or a material is changed. To clear the material statistics, you will need to do the following. First, log in by selecting the arrow on the upper right side of the screen. Enter the password 333. Press the Enter key to log in. You should now see Admin at the top right of the screen and AD on the top left near the Logout button. Select the Function key. Select the Service tab. Select the Material Statistics menu button. From here, you can select the Clear button to wipe the material statistics. Select Yes to confirm. Hit the Back button when complete. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our Material Handling Service Department at 860-496-9603, extension 168. Thank you very much, and as always, enjoy your new Whitman product.